Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Or you want to be a magician in your friend circle or family? Then this is your lucky day because this video is going very special for you. So let's start our today's magic. First, you ask your friend that assume any two-digit number in her mind. Then she will select any two number by her choice. Let's suppose she select 6 and 9. Then you say her to add both the digits which are she selected and ask her to subtract their sum from that number she selected in her mind. So the sum of 6 plus 9 will be 15. Subtract 15 from 69, so the final answer will be 54. Now after subtracting, ask her to tell you any digit from the both. Either she will tell you the first number or the second number. Let's suppose she tells you the second number. The basic magic trick is here. Listen carefully. Always subtract that any number from number 9. So 9 minus the number she tells you, 4 equal to 9 minus 4 equal to 5. So now write your answer adjacent either before or after depending on the condition. Either she tells you the second number or first number. So write it here 54. Now add this 15 which you subtracted from that you ask her to subtract from the real number. Add here 15 and the final answer will be 69. Now give a magician look and ask from her, are you selected 69? For such interesting videos, subscribe MALogics YouTube channel and thanks for watching.